Welcome to Typewriter Minutes. This is our first typewriter review. This is a World War II Sherman tank. And this, my friends, is a Remington tank. Well, this is a Remington typewriter, but it's built like a tank and it has a cool army green color. First, take in the awesomeness of this typewriter from every angle. Notice the nice curvy lines from this side view and the dark olive green platen knobs. Then observe the Remington round lettering on the back. Look at this nice chrome line space lever or carriage return lever. And finally, the olive green keys and knobs. We're going to show you the features on this 1951 Remington typewriter. First, the key set tabulator. Note that it says tab. There's also an S and a C. The S means set the tabs and the C means clear the tabs. My assistant will show us.
Set, set, set. Now, all you have to do is hit the tab button and it tabs over to where you set it. Then when you want to clear a tab, you tab over, hit clear, tab, clear, tab, clear. Now, when I hit tab, the whole thing, all the tabs are cleared.
And on the right side of the keyboard is the touch control. Notice there's a 1, a 2, and a 3. With the 1, it's easier to type. With the 2, it's medium. And with the 3, it's harder. If you have little dainty hands, you might want to use the 1. If you have big beefy hands, you might want to use the 3. Now we're going to show you what the buttons on the front do. This one is the ribbon reverse mechanism. Notice that when you type, the ribbon spools turn in one direction. But if you do that, they go in the other one. This is the ribbon color selector. When you're on a black setting, it types in black. When you switch it to the red setting, it types in red. The white one is for stencils, but no one uses those anymore, so ignore that one.
For more information, see our Type Bars and Type Slugs episode.
Notice on the left platen knob, there's this little button. Normally, when you turn the platen knobs, there's these little clicks. But if you press the button and you do it, then no clicks.
And you can move it to exactly where you need to type.
Over here, there's the carriage release button, which allows you to move the carriage back and forth. And this is a lever that, like that silver button over there, lets you remove the platen without clicks. Now let's spin around and see the other side. There's 2 buttons on this side. This one is another carriage release button. This one up here is the paper release button, so if you get it crooked when you put the paper in, you can straighten it out. This button right here allows you to completely center the carriage so that when you put it in the case, you know that it won't get banged against the sides. This button over here lets you have double spacing or single spacing, depending on which setting you put it on.
For more information, see our Platen episode.
This is the paper bale. It can move this direction and out, which is a kind of nice feature because it helps you get the paper under it.
Some typewriters only allow you to move it in one direction.
Behind here is the margin buttons. They allow you to set the left and the right margins.
For more information, see our margins episode.
Notice the ruler that allows you to see where you are on the page. Now let's do a quick type test. First, on the black setting. Now it's time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Then, on the red setting, the quick red fox jumped over the lazy brown dogs.
Notice the nice crisp lettering.
Now for an alignment test. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h.
Nice and aligned.
One final note. This Remington straddles the line between two models, the all-new Personal and the Typewriter.
We'll be showing you more about that in our next episode, where we compare 3 different Remington typewriters. That's all for now. Be sure to share, link, like, and subscribe, and be tuned for our next videos. Bye! One final note. We said it was made in 1951, but it was made in 1950. Oops.